Received a WPPX file claiming to extend PowerPoint and not sure how to install it? This is an add-in package for Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to safely install and use these PowerPoint add-in files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for WPPX problems. See below for my top choice. WPPX. Files are Microsoft PowerPoint add-in files, used to extend the application's functionality with custom features, tools, and automation. They contain VBA code, custom ribbons, macros, and resource files packaged for installation into PowerPoint to provide specialized capabilities for presentations and slide design workflows. WPPX files use the Office Open XML package format based on zip containers storing VBA project files, custom UI, XML definitions, resource assemblies, and digital signatures. The structure includes manifest information, ribbon customization, XML embedded media resources, and macro code modules, following Microsoft's add-in architecture. Microsoft defined Microsoft PowerPoint as the application primarily intended for WPPX. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows offers only limited detail, so plugin behavior must be managed by the appropriate program. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your WPPX file and hit Open with. Try the recommended Microsoft PowerPoint first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If your WPPX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, installing in PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and navigate to File, then Options. Then Add-ins. At the bottom, select PowerPoint Add-ins from the Manage dropdown and click Go. Click Add New and browse to your WPPX file. Confirm any security warnings about macros and the add-in loads with new ribbon items or features. Next, adjusting Trust Center. If PowerPoint blocks the WPPX file due to security policies, open Trust Center settings via File, then Options, then Trust Center settings. Add the file location to trusted locations or enable signed macros from trusted publishers. Restart PowerPoint and reattempt installation of the add-in. Finally, inspecting file contents. For unfamiliar WPPX files, inspect the contents before installation by renaming a copy to zip and extracting with 7-zip. Review the manifest XML and code modules for legitimate purposes. Only install add-ins from trusted sources, as malicious add-ins can execute harmful code within PowerPoint and access your file system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.